What's up, guys? Without talking much, let's get through unboxing. And guys, this is OnePlus 6 and the speed you need. Guys, we got the black color mirror black edition 64 GB one, and let's unbox. Here comes OnePlus 6. And let's keep the phone to the side. And we got the dash charger. It looks fatter than the old one. And the cable. And let's try to get the phone out. Keep the phone to the side. And we got a cover also, transparent cover, and we got some paperwork and stuff, OnePlus sticker, never settled, and here is the phone. One more thing, guys, we are celebrating the 100 subscriber in our channel, so we are giving food giveaway. To take part in the competition, subscribe, follow us in Instagram, and drop your Insta ID in our comment box below. And peace.